What is obligate mutualism in ecology? Imagine two species that are so connected that neither can survive without the other. That's what obligate mutualism is all about. It's a special kind of relationship where both partners depend completely on each other for life. In nature, many species form partnerships that benefit both. But in obligate mutualism, the benefits are essential. If one partner disappears, the other cannot survive or reproduce successfully. This makes these relationships very tight and specific. Take lichens, for example. They are made of a fungus and an alga living together. The alga makes food through photosynthesis, which feeds both. The fungus protects the alga from harsh weather and helps it absorb moisture and minerals. Neither can live alone in the environments where lichens thrive. Another example is the relationship between fig trees and fig wasps. The fig tree depends on the wasp to pollinate its flowers. Meanwhile, the wasp can only reproduce inside the fig. Without the wasp, the fig cannot produce seeds, and without the fig, the wasp has no place to lay its eggs. Yucca plants and yucca moths also show obligate mutualism. The moth pollinates the yucca flowers, which cannot reproduce without this process. The moth's larvae feed only on yucca seeds, so their survival depends on the plant. Ants and acacia trees form another close bond. The ants live in the tree's thorns and feed on nectar. In return, they defend the tree from herbivores and competing plants. The ants relying on the acacia for food and shelter, and the tree depends on the ants for protection. Mycorrhizal fungi and plant roots are also involved in obligate mutualism. The fungi help plants absorb water and nutrients better. In exchange, the fungi receive carbohydrates from the plant. Some of these relationships are so exclusive that neither can survive well without the other. These relationships often involve species that have evolved very specific partnerships. This high level of specialization can limit the number of species each partner interacts with. Such tight bonds are vital for maintaining ecosystems and supporting biodiversity. Understanding obligate mutualism helps us see how species depend on each other to thrive. It also shows how delicate ecosystems can be. If one partner is lost, the whole relationship can collapse, affecting many other species and the environment. Protecting these relationships is key to keeping ecosystems healthy and balanced.